Let's talk about the 5-phase model for treatment outcome research. In phase 1, this is the lowest level, studies are designed to establish whether a therapeutic effect exists in a clinical environment, to estimate its potential magnitude, and to help identify potentially useful treatment protocols. It usually takes the form of case studies, provides preliminary evidence of possible therapeutic effects, possible negative or harmful consequences of an intervention, and whether a treatment warrants further investigation. So preliminary phase 1. Phase 2 is conducted to determine the appropriateness of the intervention. It helps define for whom and whom not the treatment is best suitable. It tends to be more hypothesis driven, so this is beyond a case study. The treatment protocol is refined. The most appropriate outcome measure is established, and it is a single subject or small n study. So beyond just the case study, we're now looking at a more controlled study with a small number of subjects. Phase 3, we enter a more rigorous experimental design with greater control, so more of the variables are controlled for. It tests the efficacy of the treatment approach, and it includes larger scale clinical trials. It explores in phase 4, we take it a step further and we do what is called translational research. So we take it from, say, the research lab in phase 3 and we bring it forward to the clinic, and that's called translational research. Pragmatic trials to determine whether a treatment is effective and practical under the complex conditions of a real-life clinical practice. Phase 5 is the last phase, with greater emphasis placed on efficiency. So at phase 5, modifications are thought about delivering services in the most cost-effective manner. And this can include both qualitative and mixed method studies. So we start from phase 1. We have simple therapeutic effect in case studies. Phase 2, we move into a more well-designed small n study. Phase 3, we have a controlled study in a research lab. Phase 4, we translate it to the clinic. And in phase 5, we figure out how to do it in an efficient, cost-effective manner.